Hello again, another jersey NFL from unboxing side. This is a 99 Charger jersey Bosa, the rookie defense end with the 99. It's in a white color jersey and it's an elite style. You can check here the material with nylon that's like stretch, and it fits very well your body. You can check the tags. It's a size 40, which is an M, size M. You can check here the numbers, embroidered numbers, and different blue colors and yellow. You can check the stitch, very good stitch, very center numbers, no gaps between two numbers. Also the Chargers logo, the NFL logo. Oh, it's pretty good jersey. You can check the Bosa last name here, the 99. You can see the arms. You see the logo Nike in the sides.